Hi viewers, welcome to linuxmint.com. Today we are going to see about how to install FluxBB on Linuxmint 18.3. FluxBB is a free and open source form application released under the GNU General Public License. It's written in PHP and uses MySQL database. And then FluxBB is designed as a lighter, faster alternative to some of traditional features, heavy form of applications. Okay, now let us see how to install FluxBB on Linuxmint 18.3. Now here before starting your installation, we have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.2. Okay, now first of all we have to download the FluxBB package using my wget command. The download is complete now. Then after downloading, we have to extract this download file using my unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Now we have to rename the extracted directory. Then we have to change ownership and permission for the FluxBB directory. Then we have to move the FluxBB directory into the /var/ww/custom directory using my move command. Then we have to configure the virtual host for FluxBB. So go to site available location. Here we have to create flux.conf file using my Vim editor. Now change insert mode. Now here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the flux.conf file. Then after enabling, we have to enter the host file. Here give your local IP. Then give your domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. Then after restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Here we can see FluxBB installation. First of all, here we can see database setting. Here already I have created database and database user. So we have to fill the database detail. First of all, here we have to give database name. Then database username. Then password. Then scroll down. Then here we can see admin user setting. So we have to fill the admin credential. First of all, we have to give admin username, then password, then email address, then scroll down. Then here we can see site setting. So we have to fill the site details. Then after filling the details, we have to click start install. Now here we can see FluxBB installation successfully completed. Now we have to click here. Then here we can see home page of FluxBB. Now we have to click login. Then here we can see login page of FluxBB. Now we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Then finally here we can see admin page of FluxBB. Thus we have seen how to install FluxBB on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linux Help. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscape.com.